What is happening here, hama dzangu, is we are given the equation of a straight line. Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Ndobva tati toda kunyora this equation in the form of the generalized equation of a straight line. Inoti y is equal to mx plus c. Kureva kuti inoite takuinyora iri y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. And from this, we find out kuti our gradient is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 3. And if our gradient is equal to minus 2, so that this is a downward slope. It's a downward slope because the gradient is negative. Then c is equal to 3, so that the point cross our line redu pari cross the y-axis panenge paina 3. So even before we draw, like we put our graph on a graph paper, tinogona kutoya panapa to draw a sketch, but sketch e hatiise question. It's not part of our answer. Tinotoisa graph paper, and a sketch yedu roughly yakadai so, like this. Chinonzi downward slope kudai so. Then c is equal to 3 kuroti panapa pa cross our graph the point c panenge parichi, the point the y-axis panenge pari 3. That is going to be our sketch. We now have a rough idea of what we are working with.